Most people think big change comes from big decisions. But the truth is, your life is shaped by the small habits you repeat every single day. Today, I'm sharing 8 of the golden lessons from Atomic Habits that, if applied correctly, can completely transform your path to success. Hi, I'm Finny the dog, your professional financial advisor and your guide to smarter living. Lesson 1. Focus on systems, not goals. Goals are about the results you want. Systems are about the process that leads there. Success is built on daily systems, not lofty goals. Lesson 2. The power of tiny gains. Getting just 1% better every day compounds into massive growth over time. Small wins aren't small, they're everything. Before we move on, don't forget to like and subscribe. Trust me, Finny needs the validation and maybe a treat or two. Lesson 3. Habit stacking. Pair a new habit with one you already do. For example, after brushing your teeth, do 10 push-ups. It makes new habits stick naturally. Lesson 4. Make habits obvious. Design your environment so good habits are visible and bad ones are hidden. If you want to eat healthier, keep fruit on the counter, not chips. Lesson 5. The 2-minute rule. Every new habit should take less than 2 minutes to start. Want to read more? Just open a book and read one page. Starting is what matters most. Lesson 6. Environment shapes behavior. Willpower is overrated. If your environment supports your habits, you don't need to fight temptation. You simply avoid it. Lesson 7. Identity-based habits. Don't focus on what you want to achieve. Focus on who you want to become. Instead of saying, I want to run, say, I am a runner. Identity drives behavior. Lesson 8. Never miss twice. Everyone slips up. The key isn't perfection, it's consistency. Missing once is normal. Missing twice is the start of a new bad habit. So there you have it. 8 golden lessons from Atomic Habits that can reshape your future. Remember, big transformations come from tiny changes stacked over time. I'm Finny the dog, and if you want daily tips to level up your money and mindset, subscribe and let's grow together.